Hi guys, so welcome to another episode of Ricardo's Kitchen. Today we're going to make for you stewed peas and white rice, and that's stewed peas with beef and not pork nor with a chicken food, because in Jamaica it's more famous for chicken food to do stewed peas, but today we're going to make it with beef. Okay, and just like, subscribe and share to my channel, and let's go into the kitchen and start this meal. Okay, let's go. Okay, once again, so we're going to make stewed peas and white rice. Okay, so we're going to need our beef, got our seasoning, which is our meat seasoning. We got our scallion and allspice. We got our obey. We got our Larry's. We got our crushed garlic. A little bit of cornmeal is going to be put in our flour. Next, our flour, salt. You can also use salt, coconut milk, and red kidney beans. A lot of people also call them red peas in Jamaica. Okay. And also our rice. And then we're going to add our vegetables like our onions, thyme, and stuff like that later on. All right. So let's add red peas to some water, and we're going to put just a few seeds of our pimento seed in there. Okay, and this is our pimento seed. So this is our pimento seed. Just add a few seeds in there, okay? And it goes pretty good when it starts to boil, and it goes nice with rice and peas and with the stewed peas also. All right, so we're going to put this on fire and let it boil until the peas becomes very, very soft. So we went ahead of time and prepared our beef, washed it off with some vinegar, cleaned it up pretty nicely, and these are like beef chunks, okay? So we're going to add a teaspoon of meat seasoning. In this case, if you're using a larger spoon, you just put half of that spoon, okay? There you go. Also going to add a half a tablespoon, of scallion and allspice. Let me just mix that in there real quickly. I like to put, like, each season I put on my meat, I try to season it in, and then I add the next one. I also add half a tablespoon of obey. Go. And last but not least, we're going to add half a tablespoon of Larry's. I'm going to mix that in nicely too. Get it in good. There we go. And then we're going to put just a half a teaspoon of garlic. That goes good with the beef. And you already know, once I've seasoned this, I'm then going to put it in my refrigerator to let it marinate, because the peas is on the stove and it's going to be boiling for quite a bit of a time. And while that's being cooked, we're going to put this beef in the refrigerator and let it marinate. So join us back in a few minutes, or should I say about an hour or two, when everything is all boiled and nice and soft, and then our beef is already marinated. Okay? Welcome back, guys. So I just get off work, changing something more comfortable. Shout out to Patrick Long for his t-shirts. Gotta I'm gonna leave his link in the description below, so you can go check this guy's t-shirt out. And for all the music that you hear me playing in the background of my videos, they're from my friend Ron, and also gonna leave his link in the description, so you can also check out his music. All right, so I'm about to switch my peas. It's been boiling soft. I'm gonna switch it to a more bigger pot because I'm about to add my beef to it. And a lot of people use corned beef, what is known as corned beef, and not corned beef in the can, but corned beef with a little salt on there. But where I'm at, I can't get that in Germany at the moment right now. Also, I don't eat pork, so a lot of people make stewed peas with pork, pigtail, and chicken foot, but I can't get any of those, so I can just get beef chunks, so that's what I'm using today. Okay, so let's bear with me. So I'm about to transfer the peas that's been cooked and very soft into a bigger pot, and I'm about to add my beef to it. Okay? So I'm going to add half a can of coconut milk. And then after that, I'm going to put my spinners in there, okay? I've just made my spinners. So in the interest of time, I went ahead and made some spinners, or made my dough to make spinners. So these are little dumplings. For everybody don't know what spinners is, these are like little tiny dumplings you put in your stewed peas, okay? In the interest of time, I already put my pimento in the pot. and my hot pepper. So I'm gonna add some onions, some green onions, which is also called scallion, some thyme, and a little bit of ginger. Ginger also helps with people who got lactose, because I already put coconut milk in there. But sometimes people have a reaction to coconut milk or lactose intolerant like myself. So I normally put ginger in there to combat that situation, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and add these to my pot. 2 peas is cooking over there. We went ahead and about to prepare some rice, because we normally serve 2 peas with white rice. So I already put my salt in, my half a teaspoon of salt, some butter, and I'm gonna let this cook for about 20-25 minutes, okay? Here we have it, stewed peas and white rice. So let's like, subscribe, and share my video, and tune in next time on another episode of Ricardo's Kitchen. Thank you guys.